Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 10th video, 18th video, 23rd video, unsequentially, it will be very difficult for you to understand and get the link, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And also you can connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It is ABHIMANYU BHA TTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So in our last video, I've covered the topic called how does negative karma come to a person, right? So and in our this video, I'm going to cover the topic called many people believe negative karma can be wiped off by donating to charities. Is this true? So this I'm going to cover in today's video. Let's see what is being said. Okay, by Vipsi and Ratu via Koshal Bhavnagar in this book. The video number is 138 and the topic is many people believe negative karma can be wiped off by donating to charities. Is this true? No, you have to pay for the wrong you have done no matter how much you give in charity. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri that whatever wrong you have done in your life, whatever crime you have committed in your life, whatever sin you have done in your life, you have to pay for each and every karma. No matter how much charity you do charity or you do not do charity. So that much you have to pay. You have to pay your karma, your sin under and each and every circumstances. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. You can never wipe off karma in this manner. There are many people who have the incorrect notion that if they give 1,000 to charity, they will go to heaven. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that we cannot wipe out our karma in this way. And many people have the negative notion that if we give thousand of money in the charity, we will be going to heaven, but it won't happen. So for whatever crime we have committed in our life or whatever sin is been happened by us, we need to pay of our karma of each and every sin. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri in this book. If you have that motive when you do a good deed, you can forget about seeing heaven in your world. Justice dispensed by even the widest of judges may not always be correct. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that if we have the notion that if we do any wrong thing and we will be saved from the hell and we are going to go to the heaven, it won't happen. Yeah, it may happen in the earth plane where we have our judges who can escape us from going to any prison, jail, anything, but it won't happen in the heaven in terms of hell, right? Because we cannot fool God Almighty under any circumstances because God is very intelligent, friends. But God's laws are perfect, and the justice you receive as a result of those law is perfect. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that God's laws are perfect, and justice what we receive in regards to that law that are also perfect, and that and God Almighty cannot be fooled under any circumstances. This justice come to you in form of karma, and this justice of God come us in form of karma. If you try to hide something from your fellow man, it may stay hidden, but you cannot hide anything from God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri that if we want to hide any information from our fellow man or fellow person, we can hide it, but we cannot hide any information in front of God Almighty because he knows everything because he is God Almighty. Every thought, word, and action is recorded in Akashic record by your subconscious mind. So listen, every thought, every action, and every word is recorded in the Akashic record by your subconscious mind. Whether you believe it or not, this is true. So whether we believe it or not, it is true. because each and everything is recorded by our subconscious mind, friends. Okay. So, friends, now this topic came to an end. So, in our today's topic, we have covered the concept called many people believe negative karma can be wiped off by donating charity. Is this true? So, this was the today's topic, friends. And in our next video, we are going to cover the topic called one of the earliest thing you said was go through all your trouble bravely with a smile. But when people are on pain, how is this possible? Okay, so this will be the next topic which we'll be covering, friends. And friends, as I said, this book is this long, right? And I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing fourth video, 18th video, 23rd video, there is quite possibility that you may get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also so before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do one thing. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Always do good karma in your life, and one day we will definitely come in the spirit world, and you will say, "I used to see your video, and today we all are in the spirit world." Okay. So this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay blessed, and always do good karma in your life. And one day we will definitely come in the spirit world. Bye, friends. I will meet you in the next video.